Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this, you're probably frustrated because your Snapchat messages aren't showing up, and that's a big problem in 2025 with all the updates and new features. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through some simple, effective fixes that could get everything back to normal in no time. This issue might be due to app glitches, network problems, or even server-side hiccups, but we'll tackle it step by step. First things first, let's start with the basics. Step 1. Restart the Snapchat app. Sometimes, apps just need a quick refresh. Close the app completely from your recent apps menu, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. If that doesn't work, move on to Step 2. Check your internet connection. Snapchat relies on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Make sure you're connected to a strong network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that helps. Next, Step 3. Update your Snapchat app. In 2025, Snapchat is rolling out frequent updates for better security and features, so head to your App Store, search for Snapchat, and install any available updates. If messages still aren't loading, try Step 4. Clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to achieve a similar effect. This can remove temporary files causing the glitch. Now, for Step 5. Log out and log back in. Open Snapchat, go to your profile, tap the Settings gear, scroll down to Log Out, and sign back in with your credentials. This often resets any temporary login issues. If you're still seeing problems, Step 6. Reinstall the app. Uninstall Snapchat from your device, then download and install it fresh from the App Store. Remember to log in with the same account to keep your data. Finally, if none of these steps work, it could be a server issue on Snapchat's end. Check online forums or Snapchat's official status page for any ongoing outages. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.